Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am going to talk about an exciting topic, how you can use AI to earn passive income. Whether you are looking to boost your current income or create a sustainable source of revenue, AI can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. Number 1, we have generative AI side hustles. According to Business Insider, people are using AI bots like ChatGPT to work side hustles and earn thousands of dollars. Let's explore some examples. First up, making pitch decks. Pitch decks are used to help startups convince investors to put money into their ideas. With generative AI tools like ChatGPT and AI-powered storytelling tools like Tome, freelancers can churn out multiple pitch decks a week. Larry Lundstrom, a pastor based in Arkansas, shared that he makes 2 to 3 pitch decks a week using AI tools and charges between $500 to $1,000 per deck. That's an impressive income potential. Next, we have publishing books. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT and AI art generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 2, publishing children's books has never been easier. Just ask Ammar Reshi, a product design manager who used AI tools to write and illustrate a children's book titled Alice and Sparkle. Since its release, he has already sold over 1,330 copies, generating $2,600 in revenue. Moving on to number 2, I have generated passive income using AI tools. As mentioned in a Medium article, advancements in technology and the rise of AI tools have made it easier than ever to create passive income streams. One idea is to create and sell AI-generated content. AI can help you quickly and easily generate high-quality content, whether it's blog posts, articles, or even books. Companies like Forbes and Associated Press are already leveraging AI-generated content. You can sell your content directly through your own website or blog, or on popular online marketplaces like Amazon or Fiverr. The demand for affordable and high-quality content is always there. Number 3, I have automated tasks using AI. AI's ability to automate tedious and time-consuming tasks is a game-changer for passive income seekers. By using tools like Zapier or IFTTT, you can connect different apps and services to automate tasks without writing any code. Imagine saving time and reducing your workload by automating tasks like data entry, scheduling, and customer service. This allows you to focus on more essential aspects of your side hustle and frees up valuable time. Finally, at number 4, I have created and sold AI-powered products. AI is not limited to content creation and automation, it can also help you create products that are more efficient and effective than those created by humans.